Is your Roku refusing to turn on? Don't worry, you are in the right place. We have got some simple and effective fixes to get it working again in no time. Hey there, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. If your Roku is acting up and not turning on, don't panic. We have got some simple troubleshooting steps that can help bring it back to life. So grab your remote and let's get started. Method 1. Force start Roku. When Roku refuses to turn on, try to force start it. Sometimes all it needs is a little push to wake up. Here is a simple trick that often works like magic. First, unplug the power cord from your Roku TV. Now wait for about a minute, then plug the power cord back into the socket. Power on your Roku TV. And just like that, your Roku should be back in action. This quick reset can help clear minor glitches and get everything running smoothly again. Method 2. Check the remote batteries. Next, ensure the batteries in your Roku remote are not dead or low. If they are, replace them with fresh AAA batteries. If you are experiencing frequent battery drain, consider using a wall outlet to power your Roku device instead of the TV's USB port. Method 3. Check the screen. If your Roku is still not turning on, the screen itself might be the problem. Here is what to do. Look closely for any signs of damage, scratches, cracks, or anything unusual. If you spot any issues, your screen may need repair or replacement. In that case, it's best to consult an expert to get it fixed properly. A damaged screen could be the reason your Roku isn't turning on, so don't overlook this step. Method 4. Check the connection. Next, check the connection. Locate the power cable that connects your Roku TV or monitor to the electrical outlet. Ensure that both ends of the power cable are securely plugged in. Verify that the cable isn't damaged or frayed. Make sure the electrical outlet you are using is functional. Plug another device like a lamp or phone charger into the same outlet to verify that it's working. If the outlet isn't working, try a different one. Method 5. Check Roku remote's battery. Roku might not be turning on simply because of weak or dead remote batteries. So swap out the old batteries with fresh ones and try turning on your Roku again. If it powers up, great. If not, and you are still seeing a black screen, move on to the next solution. Sometimes the simplest fixes are the most effective. Method 6. Check the cables. If your Roku still won't turn on, your HDMI cable might be the sneaky culprit. Here is what you need to do. Inspect the HDMI cable for any signs of damage, frays, bends, or cuts. A damaged cable can stop your Roku from working properly. If you spot any issues, replace it immediately. If there is no sign of damage, disconnect and reconnect it. To do so, make sure that the Roku device is turned on. Disconnect the power cords from the source and disconnect the HDMI cables. Wait for a few minutes and then reconnect the power cords first. Then turn on the Roku device and reconnect the HDMI cables. Make sure the cable is connected firmly and there is no loose connection. Now check if the problem is solved. Method 7. Try a different port. You can also check the HDMI cable using a different port when you are getting visual issue on Roku. Sometimes the HDMI port may be faulty. So plug the cable into a different port and then check if it works. Method 8. Try a different monitor or TV. Connect your Roku device to a different TV or monitor that you know is working properly. Use the HDMI cable and ensure all connections are secure. Now check if the Roku system is working. If the system works, then there is no problem with the TV or monitor. In this case, you need to replace them. Method 9. Use official adapters only. Using third-party power adapters can indeed cause issues with Roku and even damage your Roku device. Stick to the official Roku power supply to ensure compatibility and safety. Look for any labels or markings on the adapter itself. Official Roku adapters typically have the Roku logo and model information printed on them. Visit the official Roku support page and check the images of their official adapters. Compare these images with your adapter. Method 10. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you can contact Roku support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps or arrange for a replacement device if needed. And that's it. You know the best ways to fix Roku when it won't turn on. We hope one of these solutions did the trick for you. if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more handy tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Also, let us know in the comments which method worked for you. Your experience could help someone else. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.